Hi there, this is our Harrison VS330 lathe. It's come out of a government department. They've probably had it since new. It's come with some really nice accessories and is in really good original condition. It's the variable speed model, quite rare, we don't see them, and it's a wee beauty. Alright, we'll start around the lathe. Back looks tidy, nice wee compact coolant system. They've gone and fitted a new halogen lamp at some stage. Electrical cabinet down here, the variable speed drive there, which you would have seen the photos of, and this is the control for it. And you've got three positions of here. For instance, it's on the 35 to 180 RPM, and you'll vary it by this. And it's got a wee digital display there that tells you your RPM. It's got an original chuck gauge which is switched, so you have to have that down for it to operate. Quick change tool post, coolant system. I haven't got fluid in it, but you'll be able to hear the motor. Emergency foot brake and accessories tray there. Thread dial indicator. It's got the tapered turning attachment on it. Alrighty, we'll start from this end. Got your tail stock there, and it's got your locks, which feel good, and that tailstock's nice to operate and feels pretty good up the inside of it. Alrighty, the carriage on it, it's nice and smooth to operate. Cross slide, feels good. It's got a bit of movement in there. This has got the metric and imperial hand wheel indicators here. Compound slide feels good, and there is a little bit of movement in that as well. Quick change there. Bed condition's pretty good. So yeah, that bed feels pretty good. Okay, I'll switch the coolant pump on. You'll be able to hear that running. There it is there. And we'll get that going. So that's forward, neutral, reverse, and the brake. And I'll run you through the lead screw and feed shaft, etc. So I'm just putting it through its gear range there. And that feels pretty good. And that's its direction. Okay, I'll engage that lead screw. And that's engaged now, heading that way. And I can change that direction. And that's, it feels nice to engage and disengage. Alright, the feeds I can engage here. So that's the cross slide coming out towards you. And if I push that in, that gets the carriage coming towards me. So that's going in and out nice, and the lead screw and the feed. I'll turn those feeds off now and run you through the variable speed. So that's doing 65 RPM there, 75, 80, 90, 95. 110, 140, and 180. So that's really nice to use, real effortless. And I'll put it into the next range, which is 150 to 800. And that's running at 320, 240, 260, 400, 580, 810, one more range, And this is the 500 to 3000 range. It's running at 1340. I'll slow that down. 720. 980. 1340. 2000. And that's running at 2640, which feels as though it's as fast as it goes, even though it's rated to 3000, so maybe the pickup might not be right, I'm not sure. And reverse. So that's that variable speed unit. It's really nice to operate, very convenient and easy, and it all sounds nice and quiet in there as well. I don't think there's much more to show you here. It's a really nice older toolroom lathe, top quality with some really nice features and accessories.